We are in Jakarta. So our uncle has brought us to this like fishing spot near our kampong because Jordan has been wanting to fish or like see the fishing scene here in Jakarta, and honestly it is really very nice. Yeah, they bite his bait again. So Jordan really managed to catch one, which is really good, right darling?
Yeah, I call it tilapia.
Yeah, he caught a tilapia, whatever that is.
It's a
And
fish.
my uncle also caught a tilapia. Is it? Did he
Yeah.
catch a tilapia? Yeah. I hope you catch something.
So close.
That's so cute. There's a lot of mosquito here. So we actually went to Indomaret to like buy insect repellent.
Dimakan gitu.
Di mana?
Itu dimakan.
Iya, dimakan 2 kali. We got one. Okay. Why? Here really have a lot, man.
Yeah. What's it? Stand it.
For every fish you catch, you know you have to pay, right?
They want more fish. You know, I can just like that.
Yes, darling, they will eat the fish. And the fish gonna jump back into the water. Darling, faster.
The rest
You know. Does it feel to catch your first fish here in Indonesia?
better than in Singapore.
Oh, really?
I mean, Singapore, I have to pay. How much I have to pay per fish?
$300.
Yeah, exactly.
Tapi besarnya lumayan ya
Yeah,
ukurannya ya.
yeah. But I don't know how much is the fish here though.
Less than 300.
He got
Light
a
snap.
fish.
Tipis lah. Tipis.
Oh.
Punya kuku ini.
Right?
Last snap.
Oh, the line snap. It's okay. Congrats. How?
Oh, how?
How? How? How you gonna catch it to put it there? Aduh, 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 aduh. Catch by the fin lah. Catch by the fin.
Biarin.
Just leave it. Kuku say leave it.
Lumayan dapat 3.
Yeah. Hello. 回家了。aduh, aduh. Yay! Hello? I'm gonna say bye to you already. This boy don't want to go home.